to Sesame Street. I'm just on my way to Hooper's store to visit my friends Chris and Alan. I think I see milkshakes on the menu today. I don't know.
La 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 la. Oh, hello everybody.
Hey, it's Big Bird.
Hi Sam. Oh, I'm going to Hooper's to get a birdseed milkshake.
Oh, I think I'll join you. Did you just hear someone say oh?
I don't see anyone. Hey, do you?
What's that? Up in the window, a bird?
A bird? I'm a bird. I love birds. Where?
Oh,
Look up at the window.
here. I just heard it again.
Me too.
Where? This window? Hello, come on out. Hi there, I'm Sam.
And I'm Big Bird. What's your name?
Could you say that again? I couldn't hear you.
Carmen! My name is Carmen.
Hey, Carmen, are you feeling a little shy?
Yes, I am. I just moved here with my family from Costa Rica.
Oh, well, no worries. We're all friends here, right, everyone?
Yeah. Everyone's a friend on Sesame Street.
Oh, but gracias. It's just that everything is so new and different. I don't know anybody yet.
Well, then let us be the first to welcome you to your new street, Sesame Street. Our street is Sesame Street. It's one of a kind. 'Cause where else can you find a sparkling pink fairy named Abby Cadabby? Meet Carmen, Abby. She just moved here from Costa Rica.
We're telling her about Sesame Street.
That's great! Our street is Sesame Street. You don't have to fear.
The monsters we have here. Here's one that's very sweet.
You really want to meet.
Hey, Elmo, meet Carmen. She just moved in.
Our street is Sesame Street. Our letters are seen. And kindness is our theme.
If you need a favor,
Then just ask a neighbor.
If you talk, squawk, or squeak,
Have the fingers.
or a beat.
we're all welcome. And we're all in need. Our street is Sesame Street. Our street is Sesame Street.
Now, do the Sesame beat. Clap your hands, everybody, like this. Clap, 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 clap. Now you. All right. Oh yeah. One more. Now, do the beat with your feet. Our street is Sesame Street. Okay, here we go. Stop, 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 stop.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. If you talk, squawk, or squeak, have whirlwind stingers or a beat, we're all welcome, and we're all in need. We're all welcome, and we're all in need. 'Cause our street is this wonderful place called Sesame Street. Wow! What a wonderful welcome! I didn't know I'd have so many neighbors. This is nothing. Wait till Carmen meets all of our friends.
And my best friend Snuffy.
And Oscar the Grouch.
Yeah, but he might not say hello. He is a grouch.
No, I don't. That's okay. I'll still say hello to him. Actually, since I'm from Costa Rica, I'll say hola. Oscar won't say hola either. Oh, but Elmo will. Hola.
Oh, we say hola all the time. Hola.
Oh, yeah? I bet you can say it my way. Ooh, what way is that? As you heard, I'm a bird from Costa Rica. And this chica likes to say hello the Spanish way like this. Hola, clap, clap, clap. Hola, clap, clap, clap. Hola, clap, clap, clap. Now you, flap your wings. Hola, clap, clap, clap. Hola, clap, clap, clap.
nothing like a good bird flap.
I'm so happy I could just tweet. Oh, I want to fill the air with music. Tweet, 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 tweet.
I'll tweet too. Tweet, 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 tweet. Everybody loves to tweet.
Yep. There are also other sounds on our street that make music. Listen.
I hear a bee buzzing. Do you? You better believe it.
Good one, Abby.
See what I did there?
Uh-huh.
What's that?
Sounds like a green frog loving life in his swamp.
Oh, yeah, and he's singing about it.
What else?
That's a chirping bird. But what's she saying? I don't speak American bird song yet.
Oh, I do. She wants to tweet, tweet, tweet and fill the air with music. Just like you, Carmen.
Yeah, she's part of the music that's all around us. Listen, do you hear it? There's music all around.
There's music everywhere. Every little sound. Just listen and you'll hear.
Listen.
Listen, listen. To the rhythm of their footsteps walking down the street. And a brand new beat. This is everything just pass it out loud. That's music, play for free. Every little sound in harmony. Music all around us, play so true and it's made for you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Listen, listen, listen. To the rhythm of the grasshopper having to say, the hummingbird humming on a sunny day. I'm just singing in the summer wind. That's music, play for free. Every little sound in harmony. Music all around us, playing so true and it's made for you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. That's music, música. Oh wow, more music all around us. Yes, that's my alarm clock. It's time for something very important that happens every day on Sesame. Is it time for the birdseed milkshake?
You like birdseed milkshakes too?
Claro que sí, with cashews and hot sauce. Sounds yummy, I think, for birds. But that's not what it's time for. Oh, Elmo knows. Can you guess? It's time for the letter of the day. It's time for the letter of the day. That's right. It's time for the letter of the day. I say the letter of the day is on its way. Hey, 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 hey. It's time to sing. It's time to tweet. It's time to get up on your feet. You're what you want. Love it, dear. 'Cause the letter of the day is here. Hey, hey. It's here. Hey, the letter of the day is here. S. It's the letter S.
S for Sesame Street.
Letter S? Hello? ¿Dónde? Where are you? Where?
Have you seen the letter of the day? You just saw it.
I want to see it.
Are you sure you saw
Where are
it?
you, S?
Letter S, where are you?
It's shaped like a spoon. S, where are you?
Wait, you saw it again? Point to where? It's over here?
I don't see it.
Now it's back there again.
Wait, let's all call the letter S together. Ready? S.
Thank you, letter S. Just think, Carmen, maybe someday you'll get to meet the whole alphabet.
I can't wait.
So how are you feeling? Are you still feeling nervous about moving to your new street?
Not one bit. Everyone has been so welcoming and kind. Elmo always tries to be kind.
We always try to be kind.
We sure do. To people and...
Pajaritos and birds. Oh yes, and fairies. Don't forget little red monsters.
Yeah, so here on Sesame Street, we always try a little kindness. There's a word I know and it starts with K.
That word is kindness, hear me when I say.
Ooh.
Kindness for kindness, a simple word, it's true.
But it's amazing what a word can do.
Amazing what a word can do. When you have some fun in me, that's kindness. That's kindness. That's kindness.
Simply all the ladybug.
That's kindness too. And when you try a little kindness, and help someone for real, you might be surprised to realize how good it makes you feel when you try a little kindness. Kindness, when you try a little kindness. That's kindness. When you listen and stay calm. That's kindness. For your mom. That's kindness.
Friends of puppies here.
That's kindness. The way you feel. That's kindness too. And I know, when you try a little kindness, and help someone for real, you might be surprised to realize how good it makes you feel when you try a little kindness. Kindness, when you try a little kindness. That's kindness.
That was great.
There's always kindness on Sesame Street.
Muchas gracias, amigos. Thank you all for being so kind to me. I'm so happy to have made so many new friends. Elmo loves you. We're all friends here.
Everyone's a friend on Sesame Street. Tomorrow I'll introduce you to even more friends and neighbors.
I'm really here and I can't wait.
Bye-bye, Carmen. I'll tweet you soon.
Claro, and we can have a birdseed milkshake together.
With cashews and hot sauce.
Bye, Big Bird.
I'll see you soon, Carmen.
Adios, Abby.
Bye,
Bye, Big Bird.
Bye, Elmo. See you around the street, neighbor. See ya, S. Well, I better get going too. But thank you so much for helping to welcome Carmen to our street and for sharing a little kindness. You know, that's how we can help the world, by being kind to each other. Enjoy the rest of your day.